The next important question is, the eShram portal has created a database of over 30 crore unorganized workers. So eShram portal is actually a portal under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Okay, so basically you have these street vendors, you have these casual workers, you have the household workers, so and everybody this in the unorganized sector, right? The government has no data regarding it. So eShram portal was created to overcome that barrier. So if we have their data, if we give them some sort of identification, we can actually, if we link it to Aadhaar and then link it to bank, we can give them some direct benefit. We can provide them with social security, we can give them benefits, right? So that was the objective of the eShram portal. It is connected to the National Career Service and other ministries to deliver benefits schemes to workers, right? So this National Career Service, it's also under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. So basically this is actually a portal. This is another portal. Okay, it aims to give the if you enroll in it, you will get information regarding the employment, like for example, it will guide you, right? So it provides career counseling. Okay, and it will provide you with training programs, okay, upskilling initiatives, okay, it will give you certificates, okay, everything is available on that portal, right? So eShram, if you are registered on eShram, you can easily link to you can actually join the National Career Service, right? So it aims to deliver benefits of the scheme to workers, right? So this is actually correct. So if you look at that, if we know that at least the National Career Service and eShram portal is both under the Ministry of Labour, you can say that there is a causal link between them, right? Okay, so National Career Service was actually created in 2015. That also remember, it was after National Career Service was created, the eShram portal was actually launched. Okay, so if you need to understand how these two statements are connected, just read this statement first, statement 2 first. It is connected to National Career Service and other ministries to deliver benefits to workers, right? And the eShram portal, so it says that eShram portal has been created and it is connected to the National Career Service, right? So this statement is an explanation. There is a causal link between them. So option A is correct, right? Okay, so the next question, SANKALP. SANKALP is a World Bank loan assisted program launched in 2018. It focuses on institutional strengthening, quality assurance and inclusion of marginalized groups in skill development, right? So SANKALP, it's actually program under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Okay, Mr. Skill Development. So basically, if we know what ministry this scheme is actually under, you can guess the next information. And also, if you simply read it, you focus on institutional strengthening, quality assurance and inclusion of marginalized groups in skill development. It is a plain statement, right? There is nothing that seems wrong from the statement. Okay, there is nothing that seems weird from the statement. So this statement is right. And if we can see the skill thing, you can actually link it to, if you know that it is under Ministry of Skill Development, you can be more sure that the statement 2 is correct. And it is a World Bank loan assisted program as well. So this is also correct, right? And this is also, the statement 2 is also explaining statement 1, right? Okay, so option A is correct.